The importance of a GPS tracker in your vehicle. A GPS tracker is more than just a location device. It is an important security and monitoring tool that helps protect your vehicle and provides peace of mind. Here are some of the key benefits of having a GPS tracker installed. 1. Real-time vehicle tracking. Monitor your vehicle's location anytime and anywhere through your smartphone or computer. 2. Enhanced vehicle security. In case of theft, a GPS tracker helps locate and recover your vehicle quickly, increasing the chances of successful recovery. 3. Monitor driver activity. Track routes, travel history, speed, and driving behavior to ensure safe and responsible vehicle use. 4. Emergency assistance. Knowing the exact location of your vehicle can be extremely helpful during emergencies, accidents, or breakdowns. 5. Fleet management. For business owners, GPS trackers help monitor company vehicles, improve efficiency, and reduce unnecessary fuel consumption. 6. Route history and reports. Access detailed travel records and route history for personal, business, or security purposes. 7. Peace of mind. Whether you're a vehicle owner, parent, or business operator, a GPS tracker provides confidence knowing your vehicle can be monitored at all times. Protect your vehicle with a reliable GPS tracker today. AIKA GPS Tracker, the perfect tracking solution for your vehicle. Keep your vehicle protected and monitored at all times with the AIKA GPS Tracker. Designed for reliability, accuracy, and convenience, the AIKA GPS Tracker is suitable for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, vans, and fleet vehicles. Our GPS tracker is designed for easy installation. To order, please click the link below. We ship nationwide.